What the fuck?
Two shot.
Right,
Wasn't us.
right there, right there.
Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. I don't think they've seen us. I don't see where they're going though. They're going to come out on my right, they're going to come out on the left.
I'm gonna scoot across.
Yep. They're right in front of us right now.
Over there.
An ARC orbiter is en route. The safe window is closing.
His smoke's gone.
You have 10 minutes to return to Speranza. I repeat, 10
The other
minutes.
guy's pitching grenades.
Shooting up. Careful, Matt, careful.
Got him.
Nice, nice,
All
nice.
done, all done.